What's up, everybody? Good morning. Found me out here at the barn again today, huh? So today we're going to start a project. We're going to add the lean-to in the back of the barn here. Probably go out, maybe kind of just some of the purlins we got. Might can do 30, or might shorten it to 25, but we're going to do this 28 across the back of the barn here, so we're going to do roughly a 26 by 30, maybe 26. It just depends on how the measurements and lining everything up go, but we'll get some of this stuff out of the way. You got to get the trailer out of the weeds. We'll be going to pick up a welder pretty soon, gas welder, so we have some power out here. So this will be probably a few days, a couple weeks project. We're just going to take our time. Not going to get with it too bad, since it's 90-degree weather in the middle of July. So we're going to take our time with it, try to get some stuff done in the mornings and the evenings, and it shouldn't take us too long. So I'll go over and show you some of the metal stuff we're going to use too. So alright, just cutting some trees here. Not trees. Alright, just cutting some limbs, trimming out so we have a straight shot and it won't be so bad on us. So trying to move everything. I might have to get up there, trim that one off too. So alright, here's what we got so far. I got it cleaned up pretty well. I got some of the limbs trimmed. Testing the storm sirens. Anyway, we got some rebar here. I cut up. We're gonna start here, do one post here, one down there. Then we got one up here and one over here, so roughly 25 by 26. So we'll go over here and I'll show you a little bit of the metal we're going to get into. So but yeah, if it was good weather, we could probably get this thing done in less than a week. But since it's middle of July, it's hot. We're just going to take our time and do some in the mornings and some in the evenings. But here, some I-beams are doubled up. They got bolts across holding two together, so we're going to have to unbolt some of those. Probably use about 6 of those things. And we got a big I-beam. Starts about right in there and it goes all the way up. Or an angle iron right in there. So that's 25 foot across. So we'll definitely use that. Got some heavy duty purlins here we're going to be using. And then we got some other ones, and there's some smaller ones right up here. Those right there. We may put some of those going across and use these heavy ones going long ways, and then that way we can put the 10 in. So yeah, I got to take some metal off. We got a stack of 10 that currently the groundhogs are using as a home base, evidently. So but we'll be disrupting the home life of the groundhogs, so there's plenty of tin to get it covered. And by doing that, we be able to get backhoe back here on this side, get the wood mill back there underneath this part, get the old tractor in, and then this open this side back up to put in some cows. And we want to get, you know, in that last video I mentioned getting some of these implements put up under here too, so get them out of the weather. So follow along, let's see how far we get on this thing in the next few days. That's 28, 24. So got the post, and we'll square each of the corners up once we get the I-beams in there. So we'll dig this out, measure it, see how much we're going to have to dig out, and go from there. So we got the backhoe out, got us a hole dug this morning. Just going to put one post in and try, we got it kind of leveled up with the transit, and see if we can get this line going here, see what we need to, what else we need to get leveled. So So we got the one post, we got it set. That's going to be our guide to that corner or that corner. We got this post in here, and we got to get it worked up. I got to get some concrete, and we got to get that one leveled up. So we're going to have 8 foot, about an 8 foot roof here. It's going to slope up to the barn, and the edge against the barn will be about 9, maybe 10 foot high. So we got it started. That's the main thing. And we got the I-beam we're going to put across the back. We might have to rework that a little bit to get it to fit. That's 30 foot wide, or 28 foot wide, 30 foot long. So the I-beam is only 25, so we're going to have to weld some tubing to the other end. It's got an open end down there. So anyway, that's where we're at. That's 2 days worth of work. Don't look like much, but it takes a while to get everything leveled up, get where we want it, get things lined up, get a picture of it, kind of how we want to do it. So that's where we're at, and stay tuned. There's more to come. It's I think it's around 10:30, and it's already, heat index is already about, what do you think, JD? Yeah, JD says it's about 90 heat index already, so we're going to make this a good stopping point and pick up next time around. So yeah, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, make a comment. We're well on our way to getting this back part of the barn finished, so stay tuned. We'll see you on the next one.